Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain your 5th chapter in poetry section, O Captain, My Captain, composed by Walt Whitman. The first stanza, O Captain, my Captain, a fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered a prize we thought is one to fallen cold and dead. Word means fearful trip. The American Civil War, which Lincoln has fought for the abolition of slavery, has come through successfully. Every rack, every trouble, exulting, very happy, grim and daring, firm and severe, fallen cold and dead, lifeless and dead. Mrita. For explanations, reference, these lines have been taken from the poem O Captain, My Captain, composed by Walt Whitman. Context, the poet describes the success of Abraham Lincoln, the pressure of of the slavery system, but he was shot dead in a civil war which had broken out in the country. Explanation, addresses President Captain and says the civil has been very fearful and that he has successfully won it. The aim of fighting the Civil War is to abolish the slavery system under which Negroes are kept in slaves in America by the white people. Now, peace is established. Happy. The rejoicing people ring the bell of the nation which comes forward which fly colors in its attempts. Meanwhile, the poet finds that the captain of the ship is shot dead. He is lying cold and dead on the deck. Deck means upper part of the blood drops are flowing out from the wounds of his body. The last stanza, my captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. Does not feel, he has no pulse, nor the ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage close and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in the object one. Exalt, O swords, and ring, O bells, but I with mournful tread walk the deck, my captain lies fallen, cold and dead. Reference is the same. Context, the people of America praised the President Abraham Lincoln, but he was shot dead. Explanation, the poet is calling the captain of the ship, but there is no reply. The lips of the captain have turned pale. Pale means faded. He is lying there peacefully. The poet addresses him as his father and says that he does not feel poet's arm under his head. His heart does not beat. He has no desire. The nation has got victory in the Civil War. The Civil War has now come to an end. The nation faced many difficulties. It has now successfully achieved its aim and liberated the Negro serfs. The poet therefore asks the people of America to enjoy and ring the bells. But the poet himself is very sad in his heart and walks on the deck of the ship sorrowfully. The captain of the ship is lying cold and dead there. The word meanings you have to see. स्टूडेंट, ये कविता 1867 में लीव्स ऑफ ग्रास में लिखी गई थी। ये अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति अब्राहम लिंकन की मृत्यु पर लिखी गई है। उनकी हत्या अमेरिका के गृह युद्ध के पश्चात कर दी गई थी। कवि ने लिंकन की मृत्यु पर हृदय द्रवित शोक प्रकट किया है। ये एक अद्भुत शोक कविता है। शोक कविता मीन्स एलिजी, तथा इसमें हृदय को छूने वाला दुख तथा दर्द है जो पढ़ने वालों को हृदय द्रवित कर देता है तथा उनके मस्तिष्क को भी झकझोर कर रख देता है। ये कविता पूरी घटना को प्रदर्शित करती है। स्टूडेंट, today I have completed the explanations of O Captain, My Captain. Goodbye. Have a nice day.